In front of me is TECNO Spark 20p, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Choose Add Contact and tap on the one you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To change order of your contacts on the list, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold one, drag it to the proper place and let go. To save your new list, hit Save at the top right corner. To remove any contact, use this X next to the one you wish to get rid of and hit Remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!